This beautiful move-in ready 3-bed, 2-bath home on a generous corner lot in East Orlando is just waiting for you to call your own. The spacious open floor plan creates a bright and airy feel to the living/dining room and adjacent kitchen, which features upgraded cabinetry and all stainless steel appliances. Past the kitchen, you will find a large laundry room with the included washer and dryer, as well as a utility sink and plenty of extra space for storage. The upgraded bathrooms offer tiled walls and unique burnt wood cabinets. In addition to the attached 2-car garage and extra wide driveway, the fenced backyard also has a massive 880 square foot shed, offering 4 additional garage spaces, a workshop area with electric, and a loft. Classic French doors, plus a small doggy door, lead out to the large patio and yard, the perfect outdoor living space for hosting with friends and family. Get ready for worry-free ownership with a new roof, appliances less than 3 years old, and no HOA. Located near popular shopping and dining options at the Waterford Lakes Town Center, the University of Central Florida, and with easy highway access through 408, this is one home that you don't want to miss. Call today to schedule your private showing.